Hi everybody. Long time no talk. It's been about 4 years since I posted a video to YouTube. And a lot has happened in that time. I've still kind of talked to people who left comments and stuff, but I haven't made any new posts. A lot has happened since the last time I talked to you guys. This has happened, and 2 new children have happened, and all kinds of stuff. Moved to a new state, got a new job, new kids, new husband. So lots of really exciting stuff. But I'm probably from here on out going to be keeping most of my personal life off of YouTube, just because of where I am in my life right now. So I recently purchased 3 Oracle decks at $7 a pop from Hay House, and I wanted to do some unboxing videos, and I kind of got the idea because I have a kid who is addicted to unboxing videos, particularly the Kinder Surprise egg videos. But I really like watching tarot unboxings, so I thought I'd kind of do my own, and I actually have 3 Oracle decks to unbox, but I'll only do 1 per video. And then I have some other tarot decks and stuff that I'll make unboxing videos of, but I'm not sure when I'll get the time with 3 kids and a full-time job. But anyway, so the first deck that I have to unbox is the Goddess Guidance Oracle by Doreen, which I know a lot of people have. And I've been like wanting this for probably 4 or 5 years now and have just never gotten around to getting it. And hey, $7. So now I have it. So has this really... Man, I should have brought something to help me open it. I don't know if I can shove a fingernail in there. Oh, there we go. Gotta be smarter than the plastic wrap. So like all of the other Hay House decks that I have, this has a really sturdy cardboard box, or paperboard, I don't know what you actually want to call it. Some nice gilding on the title on both the sides and the front. Ooh, and you can tell it's sturdy. Not a super thick guidebook. Really not a super thick guidebook. Typical Hay House guidebook though. Yes. So a description of every card. It is around 125 pages long. So a typical Hay House guidebook. Here are the cards. And I think this one said, what, 44? 44 cards. So it's not incredibly thick. Let's see. I was trying to look up at my Mermaids and Dolphins deck, because I was thinking that one was 44, but this feels like it might be, it feels like fewer, but I think it's the same number. So anyway, I'm just gonna go through these and let you guys kind of look at them. So, Abundantia. I would think you would say this, Aracura. Ain. Is it Ain or Ann? I'm going to have to look up some of these because I looked at somebody else's video that they had done showing these, and I realized that there were so many that I hadn't heard of. Aphrodite, we all know her. Artemis. Athena. I like that one. Bast. You guys, it's been so long since I've done anything, like made a video, and I seriously, like this camera, it's so small. But to shoot it in high D, like what, or in high D, in high def, like when I hit record, my screen all of a sudden shrunk way down. So I thought I had more room than this. So, but I actually can't go back that much farther just because of the way I'm set up. Brigid, or Brigid. Butterfly Maiden, that one's really pretty. Cordelia. That looks like a very springtime card. Coventina. I think I've seen this one in a few different places. I do know I don't have it on my current phone, but I used to have a Goddess Guidance app on my phone, and I'm sure that's still out there that you could download. Diana. I would assume Irene. The Green Tara. These cards are kind of like sticking together a little bit. Guinevere, so maybe not a typical person that we think of, I guess, when we think of the goddess, but Guinevere from obviously Arthurian legend. Hathor, one of my favorite goddesses. I love this one. Oh, these are so sticky. And it's not even like the plastic is sticky. I mean, they have that like shiny coat, but it's like the edges are sticking. And I think it's because they're, you can see they're gilded edges. So I think that might be, they're like sticking to each other. Ishtar. Isis, another favorite of mine. Isolde, not one that I think of, I guess, when I think of goddesses. I don't know, I would assume that the X is supposed to be silent Ixchel. It's a really beautiful card. A channel for divine healing power. Ooh, Kali. I like that one. This is what I get, right, for showing you a new deck. Sticky cards. Kuan Yin. That one's pretty. I think I like that one. I think she kind of looks like me, or at least the way she's illustrated. Lakshmi. Matt. I do like that they come in alphabetical order because it, you know, just feeds into my OCD. Maeve. Mary Magdalene, and I know that she has her own decks. A few different people have done decks with the Magdalene. Mawu. I like that one. She has the earth as a globe in her hand. Oh, so Mother Earth, you are called upon to help with environmentalism, so that's very fitting. I like that. That might be one of my favorites. Mother Mary. Gotta make sure I only got one card. Yeah, there's two there. Okay, I'm probably making myself sound really stupid. Nematona? Unach? Ostara. I like that. I love purple, though. I love the purple and the flowers. Pele, Rhiannon, Sedna. That's really pretty. I like those purple colors. Ooh, and here we have a whale tail, a humpback. I like that one. Sekhmet. You're stronger than you think you are. Siggy. Sulis. That's really beautiful. Looks like she's in a valley with surrounded by mountains and waterfalls. Vesta. White Tara. Yamanya. I like that. I like water and ocean cards. And then we're back at the beginning. So I want to look at the difference between green, just the depiction. I'm curious, like how. Okay. I don't know. I apparently have a really crappy memory because I was like, oh, did they use the same thing? No, they didn't. Okay. Well, I really like those. I'll have to play around with them a little bit, and I'll probably post on Facebook later, I guess, what I think of them after I've used them. But they are a typical Hay House deck with thick box, thick cardstock. I would say it looks like it's probably a typical Doreen Virtue guidebook in the way it's set up. General meanings. And the nice thing about these cards is that, you know, they say right on them basically what they mean, and then there's just kind of like a deeper message usually in the book. So that is the Goddess Guidance Oracle deck by Doreen Virtue. And I am off to make another video, and this time I'm going to be making or unboxing The Wisdom of the Hidden Realms by Colette Baron Reid.